If you're still watching those boost FPS 300% fake optimizer videos in 2026, I'm sorry, but your PC deserves better. Half of these so-called tweaks are placebo. The other half are straight up breaking your system. Today, we're not guessing. We're not copying random Reddit comments. We're optimizing Windows the right way. So smash that like button, subscribe if you're serious about FPS, and let's fix your system properly. Alright, so the first thing, we're going to disable some unnecessary Windows features. This is important, but go slowly and only change what you truly don't use. Press the Windows key on your keyboard. Now type "Turn Windows features on" or "off." When you see it in the search results, click to open it. A small window will appear with a long list of optional Windows components. Take your time and scroll down slowly. You're looking for features like Hyper-V, Virtual Machine Platform, and Windows Subsystem for Linux. These are virtualization features. They are very useful for developers who run virtual machines or Linux environments inside Windows, but for a gaming PC, they are usually not needed. If you do not use virtual machines, carefully uncheck Hyper-V. If you do not use Windows Subsystem for Linux, uncheck it as well. Also uncheck Virtual Machine Platform if it's enabled and you don't need it. Make sure you are only unchecking these virtualization-related features. Do not randomly disable other Windows components. Once you've unchecked them, click OK. Windows will start applying the changes. If it asks you to restart, don't restart just yet. We'll do one clean restart after finishing all the optimizations. Now guys, we're going to make sure Windows 11 is fully updated and not running unnecessary background delivery features. A lot of FPS issues actually come from outdated builds or background update activity, so we always start here. Press the Windows key on your keyboard. Click on the settings icon. If you don't see it, just type Settings and press Enter. Once the settings window opens, look at the left side and click on Windows Update. At the top, click Check for Updates. Let it scan completely. If updates are available, click Download and Install. Wait for everything to finish. If it asks for a restart, restart your PC and come back. We always optimize on a stable, fully updated system because outdated Windows builds can cause driver conflicts and inconsistent gaming performance. Now, still inside Windows Update, click on Advanced Options. Scroll down until you see Delivery Optimization and click on it. You'll see a toggle that says Allow downloads from other PCs. Turn this off. When this is enabled, your PC can upload parts of Windows updates to other computers on the internet. That means background bandwidth usage and system activity, even while you're gaming. For competitive gaming, we want zero background sharing. Turning this off keeps your connection clean and focused on your game. Now, go back one step. Scroll down and click Update History, then click Uninstall Updates. This is just for awareness. If you ever notice FPS drops or stutters after a major Windows update, this is where you can remove a problematic update. If your system is stable, don't touch anything. We are not removing updates blindly. So guys, now we're going to clean up startup programs, because this is one of the biggest hidden performance killers on Windows 11. A lot of people complain about low FPS, but their PC is already overloaded the moment it boots. Right-click on the Start button and click on Task Manager. Click on the Startup Apps tab. Here you'll see a list of programs and a status column. Anything that says Enabled means it launches automatically every single time your PC starts. So before you even open your game, your system is already running extra background apps. Go through the list slowly. Right-click on apps like Discord Auto Launch, Spotify, Adobe Updater, Epic Games Launcher, Steam Auto Start, or RGB software that you don't need running 24/7. Then click Disable. Disabling here does not uninstall the app. It just stops it from launching automatically at boot. The goal is simple. When your PC starts, it should be clean, light, and focused. not busy running 5 launchers and 3 background updaters before you even open your game. Alright guys, now we're going to clean up background apps, because this is another area where Windows 11 quietly uses resources without you realizing it. Even after you close some apps, they can continue running in the background, using CPU and memory while you're gaming. Open Settings again. On the left side, click on Apps. Once you're inside Apps, click on Installed Apps. This will show you a full list of everything currently installed on your system. Now, scroll through the list slowly. Look for apps you don't actually use on a daily basis. For example, the Xbox app, Feedback Hub, Clipchamp, or any other pre-installed app that you never open. When you find one, click the 3 dots next to it. Then choose Advanced Options. A new page will open for that specific app. Scroll down carefully until you see Background App Permissions. You'll see options that controls whether the app is allowed to run in the background. Disable background access completely. What this does is simple. It stops that app from silently running in the background after you close it. No hidden CPU usage, no small background spikes while you're in a match. Go back and repeat this process for other unnecessary apps. You don't have to rush. Just disable background access for apps you truly don't need. This step alone can reduce random CPU activity and make your system feel more stable and focused while gaming. Now guys, we're going to fix power delivery, because this is where Windows 11 silently limits your performance. By default, most systems run on balanced mode. And balanced mode aggressively downclocks your CPU to save power. That's good for battery life, not good for gaming. Press the Windows key and type Control Panel. Open it. Once inside, click on Hardware and Sound. Then click on Power Options. If you only see the balanced plan, look slightly below and click on Show Additional Plans. Check if you can see Ultimate Performance. If it's already there, simply select it. If you do not see Ultimate Performance, we're going to enable it manually. Press the Windows key again, type CMD. When command prompt appears, right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. A black window will open. Now, carefully type the command provided in the video description and press Enter. After you press Enter, you should see a confirmation message saying the plan was added successfully. Close the command prompt window. You should now see Ultimate Performance available. Select it. What this does is remove aggressive CPU downclocking and power-saving delays. It keeps your processor ready and responsive during gaming sessions, instead of constantly lowering speed and ramping back up. That means more consistent performance and fewer sudden frame drops. Alright guys, now for the final step, we're going to adjust system priority inside the registry. This tweak focuses on reducing background reservation and allowing your active game to get more consistent system resources. Move slowly here and follow exactly. Open the Windows search bar and type Registry Editor. When it appears, right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. This is important because we need full permission to make changes. Once Registry Editor opens, go to the video description and copy the exact registry path provided there. Paste it into the address bar at the top of Registry Editor and press Enter. This saves you time and prevents mistakes from clicking through multiple folders manually. After pressing Enter, look at the right side of the window. You will see a value called Network Throttling Index. Double-click on it. A small box will open. Change the value to 8x. Make sure you type it exactly like that. Then, click OK. This disables Windows' default network throttling behavior, which can sometimes limit network performance in multimedia scenarios. Next, find System Responsiveness on the right side. Double-click on it. Change the value to 0. Then, click OK. By setting this to 0, you're telling Windows not to reserve extra system resources for background tasks. That means more priority is given to your active workload, in this case, your game. Once both changes are done, close Registry Editor and restart your PC. After restart, your system will allocate resources more aggressively toward active applications, improving responsiveness and reducing background interference while gaming. That's it, guys. Now your Windows isn't running in office mode anymore. It's locked in for pure performance. If this helped you squeeze more FPS, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next benchmark test.